So hi guys, I've managed to get inside and look at the plans. I'm here with Sophia, so we're going to have a look and she's going to explain all about these beautiful new homes here on Campasol. So can you tell me something about these beautiful luxury homes that I'm quite excited about to show my viewers on my channel, and obviously to let us out to buyer selling these on behalf of your company. So could you let me know a little bit about them all, please?
Yes, of course. So firstly, this is going to be called TARAY Oasis Golf. It's going to be a development by Costa Calada Paradise. The development itself is going to consist of 36 houses that we have in total. From these 36 properties that we have, we've got two different property types. So we've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and then a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom is our Sophia Plus. They come with a semi-basement. Every single property comes with a semi-basement, and it is perfect because of the reason that you can use it as a garage standard. But with this, you can also see on here, we have little windows that go all the way around it. So even though you could use it as a garage, you could use it as something completely different. It's a bit like a bare canvas, as we call it. So you have natural lighting coming through all the time. The basement itself is 110% of the property. So it is, you get double of space. All of our properties come completely finished with kitchens and bathrooms. So all of our kitchens, we work with porcelanosa. So all of the kitchens comes with all the electrodomestics. Bathrooms completely finished also. Your floorings as well is with porcelanosa. And at the moment we also have it included in our pergola, and on all of our solariums you get the pre-installation on both sides of water and electricity. So that is in case you ever wanted to do an outdoors kitchen, jacuzzi, or whatever you fancied. Every single property comes with at least 300 square metres of plot. So you've got plenty of room as well. If you ever wanted to do a private swimming pool, you have the option, you've got the space there for that. If you want to do your garden with your barbecue and everything else. We also have located in the middle, this is going to be a 570 square metre swimming pool. This is going to be a complete oasis with all green going around us, with all the palm trees and all of our lounge area. And it will also be a gated community, so you'll have be nice and closed off for you with all of your roads. So you can be able to come in and drive in and park underneath, or you could park on the side if you ever didn't want to do the garage, which is an option that you can do also. We also doing at the moment, so that you'll know, we've got a special promotion going on, which is from now until the 31st of July. We're including a furniture package that they can choose from. So basically they can come in and start to live. They just need to bring their toothbrush and their clothing, and that is literally
so key ready.
Exactly, it's literally the dream come true. You have got on this side here will be where the golf course is going to be. So from each property you'll be able to have incredible views around us. You've got the country club, which is just a 2-minute walk away. Incredible views, and you've also got everything, all of your everyday needs, amenities are very close to. You've got the central commercials down there and everything else.
Do you mean the Casa Club?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Golf club, yeah. Which is nice, you can walk there in the evenings, have yourself something to eat, go for a coffee. Perfect to go and play a bit of golf as well.
Yeah.
So it is definitely a true oasis feeling that you have whilst you're living here.
Lovely. Absolutely fabulous. So I've noticed that you've started on the builds.
Exactly.
So are you doing 2 show houses?
So we will be, in the way this works, this property that we have closest to you is where we are located at the moment. Then the one that's just in front of us, that's going to be one of our Granada show houses, and then the one behind it will be the Sevilla show house as well. So will be that, hopefully will be done just after summer, so that you can come and have a look and see what it is.
That'll be great. So I can do a full house tour then.
Exactly.
When it's all up and running.
Yeah.
Marvellous.
It'll be brilliant. And then for you to have a bit of an idea, at the moment, our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, they start off from 289, and then our 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom start off at 369.
Thank you very much. And thank you for your time to tell me about this wonderful, exciting project.
Very exciting. It's something new around here, something different. It's going to be something really nice. It's exclusive, really nice and small, exclusive community. It's only 36 properties, so it makes it that little bit more special.
Are you building any more of this type in any other areas of Mercia?
This is going to be phase 1. This is going to be 36 properties, and then in the future we have another piece of land that will be doing quite similar to this. Is going to be another 33 properties.
Is that going to be on Campasol?
As well, yes. This will be phase 1 and the other one will be phase 2.
Oh, right, okay.
That's for the future.
Okay, thank you very much for your time, Sophia.
Welcome. It was lovely to meet you.
You too.